But let's begin by just taking 3 deep breaths. Imagine a beautiful ball of white light descending upon you. You're here with all your guides and teachers who surround you with love, understanding, and comfort. You are safe and at peace in this warm, soft, and loving environment. Relax and know that every care that you ever had has, for now, been removed from your mind. There is nothing to do in this moment except be aware of your breathing. Breathe softly. Let nothing disturb you, for in this moment all is well in your world. Notice what you see behind your eyelids. Colors, shapes, light. Watch with interest as the different colors and shapes take form. Take your attention now to your heart beating steadily in your chest, and we will stay with these things for a while. Your breathing, the colors and shapes, the beating of your heart. Stay with this until you're sure of your peace. All falls away. There is only this moment as we join together. No troubles or fears, no pressures, no actions required, just peace. Stay with this. You now become aware of a presence. You feel or perhaps sense the beautiful frequency of loving beings drawing even closer. You can feel the magnificence, the strength, the power and the light of their presence as it envelops you. How does it make you feel? Allow yourself to be taken into the feeling. Is it warmth, acknowledgement, understanding, security, acceptance, love? Are you overwhelmed? How do you feel, dear ones? You cannot discern any separation now between the presence and yourself. You are totally absorbed. You are as one. Perhaps this is where some of you would like to stay for now, absorbed by this love. A love that cannot be spoken of, or at this time understood. A love greater than anything you have experienced before, and yet it is but a grain of sand compared to the love that awaits your return. How much unconscious longing there is in the world, dear one, for that day. How much longing in heaven is there, dear one, for your return. Dear friends, for those who wish to proceed, let us now imagine you see a beautiful green light wrapping itself around your heart, healing and cleansing your heart of all that caused you pain, upset, and doubt. Any broken fragments are wondrously drawn back together, and not one small piece is left out on its own. All is repaired, all is healed, all is as it should be. As the light wraps itself around your body, you feel, perhaps for the first time, a sense of relief that all is well. You are safe, and all is perfect. You now see the dear earth in front of you. The light that is surrounding your whole body now extends itself from you to the planet and all beings. It pulses waves and waves of a jewel green light, strengthening, calming, nurturing, and healing everything it reaches. Nothing is left untouched by the light. You can feel the power of the light as it leaves your heart, pumping out with every beat. Strong, purposeful, caring, loving. Watch as it wraps the earth in its beautiful essence. The light remains around the earth, and there is a gentleness now in your heart as the pulsing energy settles to a small green peaceful beat. As you watch this light, you become aware that there is complete silence and a profound stillness both within and without. All of time itself seems to have stopped in anticipation of this joyous moment. The only child of God, recognizing himself, acknowledging the love within, extended himself, extended his light, and so healed the world. Take what time you need to feel complete, and when ready, just bring yourself back into the room and open your eyes.